Know who you are, say what you think you can. Say I'm up in your car, get you in LA, but I'm out of your mains. I'm up in the A, you're so lame. And no one here even mentions your name. It must be the weed, it must be the E, cause you've been poppin', girl, you've been poppin'. Now, ooh, oh, why you so obsessed with me? Boy, I wanna know. Lying that you're sexing me when everybody knows. It's clear that you're...
Hey guys, it's your girl Leslie, your favorite YouTube lesbian, and today we're going to do something a little bit different on my channel. This is not going to be a tutorial, not a makeup look, although I do have a video of this look in the same outfit because I batch filmed, so just notice that. Today I want to talk about the Socialite external macro lens that goes on your cell phone. Yeah, on your cell phone. So if you guys want to learn about it, want to know how it works, know all the tea, then you're going to have to keep on watching. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, if you're not new and you haven't subscribed, what's wrong with you? Make sure you turn on the bell so you know when I upload, and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, let's talk. All right, so I love this thing so much, and I don't see a lot of people talking about this brand or this item in particular. So I wanted to make just a quick little video to show you guys how this works. So basically what this is it looks like this. It is a macro lens. It is a 0.45 times super wide angle lens. It also has a fisheye on it too. And the way that you use this is you clip this to your phone, and you use the back camera, of course. You just take the little top off. This is what it looks like. And you take your close-up eye pictures. Like, I've been trying to take good close-up eye pictures since I basically started editing my pictures, and haven't been able to get any good ones until I came across this. So I was browsing around. I think I was on Afterpay or Zezzle or one of those buy now, pay later, you know, apps. And I came across the Socialite brand. I'll go ahead and insert a screenshot of some video of how their website looks. They also have a bunch of ring lights and microphones and all sorts of equipment for like super fucking cheap. This baby cost me $19.99. And since I bought it with Zezzle, I think it was, I paid, I don't know, like $6 or $7 every 2 weeks until it was paid off. Like, no big deal. This is not sponsored by this brand, by the way, but I just thought, you know, when I see something as awesome as this not being talked about, I feel like it's my civic duty to come on here and talk about it. Because this doesn't come with instructions, I will tell you that. And it was really hard to find any information on YouTube about this bad boy. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch over and do a voiceover so you guys can see how this works and how it goes on your phone. I will also insert some pictures that I have taken with it. You guys are going to be super, super, super impressed. So let's go to that. Okay, here's the little pouch that it comes in. The little accessory, the clip, the fisheye lens, and the macro lens. And so you screw it off like so. Isn't that cool? That's the part that clips to your phone. So that goes on first, and then the larger one, we take the cover off and we'll screw it on to the fisheye. It's very good quality for the price. So you grab your phone, no case, and you're going to clip it on like so. And you're going to make sure that the little divots in the lens line up to your camera. And this is what it looks like. This is on square mode. And you can see how clear the pictures are. Isn't that cool? So what do you guys think? Like, isn't that super fucking cool and super fucking easy? Like, who needs a camera these days? Our cell phones can do anything. But yeah, go check them out. It's 20 bucks and I think that it's 100% worth it. So I hope this video, you know, helped you guys, helped you learn something. And for those of you who are looking for a tutorial on how to use it, you're welcome. So this is the end of my short little video. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you turn on the bell so you know every time I upload, and give me a thumbs up. All right, you guys, I will see you in my next one. Bye.
I'm losing it.